Hey, what's up guys? It's Matt and I'm gonna teach you all this dance step by step, super easy. You're just gonna start with your right arm going hit, up, down. Then you're gonna step forward on your right foot, grab here to go right, left, right. Then you go right hand, left hand, slide it back. Then from here, you're gonna step out on your right foot, up and up, other side, up and up. You're gonna step forward and pull back, and then with your left and pull down. Then your hands are just gonna go deep, deep, deep. Right hand up first, and we're gonna add this little footwork. Roll it up, last move. You're just gonna kick your right foot, left hand comes up, other hand, then you're gonna pull it up at the end, and you can give like a little nod, bounce, freestyle, whatever. That's the whole thing. Hopefully you guys got it down, and I'm gonna be looking out for your videos.